Good morning, children. Welcome to the online session of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Children, in our last class, we were discussing about the various cases of issue of debentures from the point of view of redemption. So, we saw that there are 6 cases related to issue and their redemption. And we have discussed 3 of them, that is issued at par, redeemable at par, issued at discount, redeemable at par, issued at premium, redeemable at par. Today we will discuss the rest of the 3 cases, that is issued at par, redeemable at premium, issued at discount, redeemable at premium, issued at premium, redeemable at premium. So let us listen to the class and understand the journal entry, and you have to do the problem along with me so that the idea is clear to you. So let us start. Now let us discuss case 4. When debentures are issued at par and are redeemable at premium. Issued at par but repaying it at premium. So the journal entry goes this way: bank account debited to debenture application account, and the second entry is debenture application account debited, loss on issue of debentures account debited to percentage debenture account to premium on redemption of debenture account. Children, you can note here that when you are issuing the debentures, when you are borrowing the money from the debenture holder, you are borrowing it at a nominal value. But when you are repaying them this money, you are giving them extra money, isn't it? So it is a loss for the company. So you have to show the loss on issue of debentures on the debit side. Because you are redeeming this debenture for premium, it is a loss for the company, and hence you have to show loss on issue of debentures on the debit side. One more thing you have to remember in this case is, when you are issuing the debentures for premium, the wordings which you have to use is securities premium reserve. But when you are redeeming the debentures at premium, the wording which you have to use is premium on redemption of debenture. Remember, the wordings when you are redeeming the debentures at premium, you have to use the word premium on redemption of debenture, not securities premium reserve. When you are issuing, you can use securities premium reserve, but when you are redeeming the debenture as premium, the wording you have to use is premium on redemption of debenture. Now let us discuss one problem. 10% debentures of ₹100 each, issued at ₹100, repayable at ₹105. So bank account debited to debenture application account. You are issuing this debenture at 100. So what is your issue price? That you have to write here, that is 100. Now repaying it at a premium. So the journal entry, bank account debited, because you are repaying the money to the debenture holder more than its nominal value, it's a loss for you. So you have to write loss on issue of debentures account debited to 10% debentures account to premium on redemption of debentures account. Now regarding amount, application, what is on the debit side, that same 100 rupees you have to show here. What is the loss amount? Before speaking about this loss, let me tell you, 10% debentures account, 100 rupees itself. What is its nominal value? That should come under debenture account. Premium on redemption of debenture account is 5 rupees. See, 100 rupees item you are repaying for extra 5 rupees. So that 5 rupees is your premium amount. Now children, what you wrote in premium on redemption amounts, the same thing you have to write over here, because that is your loss. So whatever you wrote over premium on redemption of debenture, that amount you have to show as a loss on issue of debentures account also. It's a very simple logic. That's just that journal entry you have to understand. Now here is case 5. When debentures are issued at discount and are redeemable at premium. So you are issuing the debentures at a discount, but you are repaying the borrowed debentures, that is borrowed money, at a premium. So what is the journal entry? Bank account debited to debenture application account. Second entry is transfer entry. Debenture application account debited. Discount on issue of debentures account debited. Loss on issue of debentures account debited. To percentage debenture account. To premium on redemption of debentures account. Children, as you know that when you issue the debentures for discount, you have to debit the discount. So this discount on issue of debentures is related to issue of discount. Issue of debentures at a discount. And when you are redeeming the debentures at a premium, you have to credit the premium with the wordings premium on redemption of debentures account. And as you are redeeming the debentures at a premium that is more than your nominal value, then it is a loss for a company. So you have to debit that loss with the wordings loss on issue of debentures account. So this is the journal entry related to issue of debentures at discount and redeemable at premium. Now let us do one problem. 10% debentures of rupees 100 each, issued at rupees 95, repayable at rupees 105. So the nominal value of debentures is 100, but you are issuing this debenture at a premium, at a discount of 95, and you are repaying this debenture for 105, that is at a premium. So the first journal entry will be bank account debited to debenture application account. You are issuing this debenture at a discount, so that amount you have to show over here, that is 95. Second entry is debenture application account debited, loss on issue of debentures account debited, to 10% debenture account, to premium on redemption of debenture account. Here you can see that debenture application account is debited. So whatever you wrote in debenture application, that money you have to show over here, that is 95 rupees. We will discuss this loss on issue of debentures after some times. To 10% debenture account, what is its nominal value? 100. That value you have to show over here, that is 100. Premium on redemption of debentures is 5 rupees. That is 100 rupees item you are redeeming at 105. So that is 5 rupees extra. That 5 rupees extra you will show over here as premium on redemption of debentures. Now children, very important part is, in earlier slide I showed you that you are showing it in a two separate account, that is discount on issue of debentures account and loss on issue of debentures account as a separate account. But you can show it is in a combined way also. So here in this problem it is showed as a combined loss on issue of debentures account debited. 5 rupees of this premium plus 5 rupees of discount. Okay, so that makes 10 rupees. So this is how you got 10 rupees. So instead of posting two separate account, you are showing it in a combined way. 5 rupees of loss for a company as it is redeeming the debentures at a premium, and because it is issuing the debentures at a discount, again loss, that is 5 rupees. So 10 rupees in total the loss on issue of debentures is debited. So this is how the fifth case goes. Now case 6, the last case. When debentures are issued at premium and are redeemable at premium. So both the cases are with premium. Journal entry, bank account debited to debenture application account. Second entry is debenture application account debited, loss on issue of debentures account debited, to percentage debenture account, to securities premium reserve account, to premium on redemption of debentures account. Children, we know that whenever we issue the debenture, the wordings you have to use is securities premium reserve account. And when you redeem the debentures at a premium, you have to use the wordings premium on redemption of debentures account. And as you know, we have discussed in the earlier slides that whenever the premium on redemption of debenture is there, we have a loss. So because we are issuing the debentures at premium and redeeming it at a premium, we have a loss on issue of debentures and that have to be debited. Now let us discuss one problem. 10% debentures of rupees 100 each, issued at rupees 105, repayable at rupees 110. Bank account debited to debenture application account. How much is the issued value? 105. So that you have to show in this first journal entry. Second entry is debenture application account debited, loss on issue of debentures account debited, to 10% debentures account, to securities premium reserve account, to premium on redemption of debentures account. Debenture application account will be debited with what you have shown in the debit side of debenture application, 105. That same amount you have to show here. We will do this amount afterwards. To 10% debentures account, what is the nominal value that you have to show under percentage debenture account. Securities premium reserve account is 5 rupees. See, you have issued this debenture which face value is 100 for 105. So 5 rupees extra. So that you have to show under securities premium reserve, that is 5 rupees. Now redeemable on premium on redemption of debentures is 110. So 100 rupees item you are selling for 110. You are repaying for 110. So 10 rupees extra, that is your premium on redemption of debentures, that you will show under premium on redemption of debentures as 10 rupees. As I told you, when premium on redemption of debenture is there, that is your loss. So that loss you have to debit as loss on issue of debentures account debited with 10 rupees. So I hope these cases are clear to you. Today we have discussed about the 6 cases. You have to do the problems related to these cases from your textbook. Do as many as problems for clear understanding and better practice. So let me wind up this session. Meet you in the next session with a new topic. Till then, goodbye.